Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to explore how to report against TNFD for an asset in the mining sector using Earth Blox. We've put together a package to take you through the geospatial stages of the LEAP framework, which will calculate the assessment and disclosure metrics recommended by TNFD. This includes the Locate stage L3, which identifies the ecosystems and biomes your asset may impact, the Locate stage 4, which determines the sensitivity of the ecosystem for that asset, and finally, the Evaluate stage 3, which quantifies the nature-related dependencies and impact. Each project has a description, a list of the datasets used, and a list of the outputs generated to help you understand the process of undertaking a TNFD assessment. If we open the project, we can see the processing steps on the left side and the map output on the right side. This part of the assessment uses a range of different datasets to determine whether an area is ecologically sensitive, either due to its biodiversity, its ecosystem integrity, its ecosystem service provisions, or if it's at high risk for water scarcity. TNFD states that only one criterion needs to be met for an ecosystem to be considered sensitive. So the maximum value of each variable is used for the aggregated score. These individual outputs here are combined to generate the overall ecosystem sensitivity score at the top. You can use this score to make informed decisions regarding your assets and how they interact with the surrounding ecosystems.